Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am gonna try and attempt to put in my hks Bov valve. I did get it as a gift last year for Christmas, so it's been a little over a year since I got it, and I feel like it's about time that I went ahead and put it on my car. With the kit you did get the hks Bov valve itself and then all the hose and clamping, but the one thing that wasn't included was the gasket. So I went on Groom Speed and then I just went ahead and ordered the gasket for it. So it is pretty nice outside, guys. So look at all those white dogs. Boomer, get over here. But like I said, it is pretty nice outside right now guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and just give my car a quick wash. So after I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and install the hks Bov valve. Okay guys, so the car is finally all dried up now. I'm just gonna let it air dry for a little longer. The sun did ended up beating me guys, so I wasn't able to get the best sunlight out there, but right now, like I said, I'm just gonna let it air dry for a little longer. I might go grab a quick bite, and then from there I'm just gonna go ahead and try and get that blow up in there as soon as possible, and I'll keep you guys up to date as soon as we grab a bite. Okay guys, so the car is all dried up now. Right now the engine already cooled up a little bit as well. So what I'm gonna do right now is Aisha wants to help out a little bit, so I'm gonna let her remove it, and then I'm gonna be the one who's gonna set it back up. So you ready?
No.
So the way you're gonna remove it is you're gonna remove these 12mm bolts. There's gonna be one there, one here. You're gonna unhook this hose right there, and then there's gonna be a flathead screwdriver, like one of these things right here. So you're gonna unscrew it, and then we're gonna reuse this and gonna put that one and the new one. All right?
I'm gonna do all that?
Yeah.
Okay, but you're gonna have to clean it.
All right, so start by unbolting those two. Yeah.
Do I like?
Yeah, but hold it. So right now it's already loose.
Oh.
So go ahead and remove this, and then just finish unscrewing it with this one right there.
I can't use my hand.
Yeah, go ahead.
Is it under?
Yep. Put it under right. Yeah. So now untwist it, and I'll untwist this one too. You can finish it by hand, but you just want to get it nice and loose. That's gonna help you get a little bit more leverage. Did you get that one or no?
No. How do you...
So what size is what? So what engine do I have again? It's RB26 2JC.
I didn't know that.
Well, now you know.
Can't put it back down. Oh.
Is that one a little looser?
Yeah, now it is.
Alright.
It wasn't at first.
Don't leave it there because you're going to end up losing it. Just go ahead and do it here. Well, she unscrews that, guys. So with the kit, you're basically going to get the blow-off valve, a hose. I'm not quite sure what this is. And then you're going to get a couple zip ties and then the other adapters for it. So, like I said, it's going to come with all of that. But the one thing that's not going to come with the car, it's going to be the gas kit. So you got to buy this separately, or just go ahead and go to your nearby AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts, and they can just order one for you guys as well. Did you finish? All right, now give me those. I'll put them away.
Okay.
Now what you're gonna do is unhook this hose right there, the blue one.
What? Like this? Like up or what?
Yeah, just pull it up.
How you did earlier?
Okay, so go ahead and just leave it unhooked, and I'll pull this out.
Pull this thing?
Yep. A little bit. Just pull it to the point where we can see the clamp that's gonna be in between the intercooler and the blow valve. Yeah, so pull it out a little more, and that's the clamp that I'm telling you about right there.
Oh, that? What do I do with that?
So you're gonna clamp it with this, I believe. Yeah, go ahead and use this, clamp it, and then remove it. Do you want me to do that part?
I want to do it, but clamp what?
Okay, so
The two little sticks?
yeah, those two right there.
How?
2,000 years later.
Yeah, why are you sweaty?
Alright guys, so I'm sorry I'm a little sweaty. It's a little harder than I expected, but it basically was kind of stuck to the tubing. So what I had to do is I just used a flathead screwdriver, and I was really careful with it. All I did is I basically just went in it and then went around it to loosen a little bit, and it just popped right off. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove these two screws right here, and then I'm going to put this on the new one, and then from there we're just going to reattach the hose and clamping, and then like I said, the new hoses, and then from there we'll see what happens, guys. So just give me a couple minutes while I remove this, and I'll stay tuned with you guys. Okay guys, so I guess I was wrong. We're not going to be using this right here. So with the kit we get this plug, you could call it, and then that's going to go right in there. Once we put it in there, we're going to clamp it. We're going to put the HKS Bov in here, and then we're going to put the gasket in between those two items, and then we're just going to rearrange the way that the vacuum seals work. So I'm just going to go ahead and put that under right now. Alright guys, so the old clamp wasn't working with us, so what I ended up doing is I just went to go ahead and put a different clamp on there. We put the seal on there as well. So right now what we're going to do is I was looking for this vacuum line right here, but it was on the old blow valve this whole time. So this just goes under right here. After we're done with that, we're gonna put the filter. The part with the wider tip is gonna go on here. From there, do I get it out? No. Yeah, from there, the new vacuum line is gonna go through here, and then this is what's gonna go on in the new blow valve. But before I do that, I'm gonna just go ahead and put the gasket, put the 2 bolts back on here, and then I'm just gonna put the vacuum seal back on there, and then we're gonna go for a ride, guys. So let me do that real quick for you. Okay guys, so I ended up screwing back those 2 14mm bolts. You can move the HKS blow valve around so that you could get better access into the bolts, but at the end of the day, this is basically how it's supposed to look. It's gonna be the new hose into the filter, and then the filter into the old new hose, into the old hose, and the new plug's already in there with the new clamp. So it's pretty much a simple process, guys. You just gotta be able to figure it out. Once you get the hang of it, it's basically gonna be pretty simple. But I'm gonna go put all those things away, and I'll see you guys in a bit. So alright guys, we're gonna go for a little drive, and we're gonna see what's going on. There's no check engine lights or any lights in the dash, so it should be pretty good. Let's go for a little drive and see what happens. It did it.
You have your seatbelt on? Put your seatbelt on.
Wait.
What should I record? I shouldn't record your stream.
Are you ready? Ooh, it sounds nice. I like the sound of that. Sounds nice. She's coming together, boys. Now it has the bell and whistle.
The what? Oh, the whistle.
The intake and out the blow valve. It's coming together, boys. First opinions on the HKS blow valve. If you're thinking of getting one, just go ahead and go for the HKS. Well, the install was, I guess, a success. I'm really happy with the result. It's really nice and loud. As soon as you let go the throttle, it just responds so nice. So I don't want to say that I noticed a difference in horsepower or anything like that. I really just got the HKS Bov mostly for the sound, but it sounds amazing, guys. I really like it. I would definitely recommend it, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna break a couple more necks just with the HKS Bov. But if you guys like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what you think. If you guys feel like I did anything wrong, just go ahead and let me know. I honestly like getting feedback from you guys, so I'll see you guys on the next one.
Turn on your post notifications.
But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.